Hey guys, you know what is great to drink when it's cold outside? A hot toddy. Now normally you do a classic hot toddy, you use whiskey, you use a little bit of honey, some water, but why use water when you got wine available? So we here at Duplin, we're gonna use our cotton candy lime, and I've got that heating up on the fire right now. You can hear that sizzling a little bit. Now we don't want it to boil, because if you let it boil, it's gonna take all the alcohol out of there. So we've just got it hot. Now we're gonna add those other ingredients to this. We're gonna use a little bit of honey, and we're gonna use right around a tablespoon of honey. So you wanna get some of that in there, and that is about a tablespoon right there. And then your whiskey. Now your whiskey is gonna go in your glass. So we're gonna pour about 2 ounces of whiskey. You can use a cinnamon whiskey if you like, or just a regular whiskey, that's up to you. I'm using a cinnamon whiskey. Now the other thing that you wanna add into your wine though, you wanna add a little bit of that lemon juice. Now our lemon juice, we got about a teaspoon of lemon juice in there. Pour that in there. Let that cool down just a little bit. And we want to stir that up so that you really incorporate that honey into that wine. Because if you don't get that honey in that wine, it's going to stay in the bottom of the pan. You won't have that honey taste in your drink. Now the next thing we got to do is we're going to add a lemon slice to the bottom of our glass. Now you can put it in there after you pour the wine mixture and whiskey mixture in there, but I like putting it on the bottom. It just looks kind of cool, especially floating there like that. Now the last thing we got to do is actually pour our mixture right over that lemon and that whiskey. All right, now there's two things we want to do. First of all, we want to take our cinnamon stick, suck a little bit of that through that cinnamon stick. It tastes good. But we want to put that in there, let that soak a little bit. And while that's soaking, cold day or night, you want to warm your hands up. We could put this in a mug, but I'm telling you, this saves you having to go buy a hand warmer when it's cold out. So we've got that soaking in there. You can leave it soaking there a little longer if you want, but I'm ready to taste this. I know we tasted a little bit through that cinnamon, but here we go. Oh, that's beautiful. That is just a beautiful drink. I get that lime taste from that cotton candy lime. That was a great idea to use instead of water. And then a little bit of that sweetness from that honey, all that mixed together. This is a great drink. And you know, I've even read where it'll help a cold. So if you got a cold, have a little bit of this, and if it doesn't work, just drink the rest of it. A couple glasses of it, you won't care. I'm telling you, that's the way you do it. No. You guys, this is a great cold weather drink. Thanks for joining us today. Make this. Until next time, this is Frank, and I am out.